So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Getting camera is being used by another app error. Windows 11 June's update 2026 has just changed this game. Microsoft quietly added multi-app camera access, letting Teams, Zoom, and Meet all access your webcam simultaneously. But there's a catch, not every PC has it yet. In this guide I'll show you how to find it, enable it, and fix camera conflicts in under 5 minutes. Just carry on with me. Firstly, before you dig into settings, start simple. Close every app that might be hogging your camera, like Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, OBS, Streamlabs, browser tabs, and camera app. Now, test. Open one app and try your camera again. Did it work? If yes, you've just isolated the problem. If no, move on to the next step. Now let's check camera privacy permissions. Windows 11 treats camera access like security credentials. Even if your app works elsewhere, Windows might be blocking it. Just open Settings. Then go to Privacy and Security. Select Camera, and then scroll down and check camera access. Make sure the toggle is on for desktop apps, and look for your specific app like Zoom, Meet, etc. Then toggle it on. The common issue people face is camera access is disabled entirely or disabled for your specific app. If you're done, let's move on to the next step. Now let's navigate to camera settings. Here's where the June update magic lives. Just open Settings again. Go to Bluetooth and Devices on the left sidebar. Select Cameras. Then pick your webcam from the list. It could be your integrated laptop camera or an external one. You should see your connected camera here. Click on it. This is the game changer. Look for the option named Allow multiple apps to use camera at the same time. If you see it, toggle it on. Then close and reopen your apps. Your camera should now work in Teams and Zoom simultaneously. If you don't see it, this doesn't mean your PC is broken, and here's why it might be missing on it. Rollout phase. Microsoft is rolling out this feature gradually. Your device might not have it yet. Or it could be a webcam support. Older or budget webcams may not support multi-app access. And of course, the Windows version could be the issue. Make sure you're on the latest Windows 11 build. Just check on Settings, System, then System Update. Now, driver age also could be an issue because your camera driver might be outdated. If it's missing, skip this step and come back here after. Now, still having the issues, look for the setting in the same camera settings page. Turn on Basic Camera. This disables advanced camera features and often solves driver conflicts. If your camera works in basic mode but not in advanced one, you've found your culprit, a driver or feature issue. If your drivers are outdated, open Settings, System, then About. Click for Check for Updates. Install any pending updates and restart. Also, you can right-click on the Windows logo and choose Device Manager. Expand Cameras. Right-click on your camera, then Update Driver, and let Windows search online for the latest one. Now comes the test. Just open Camera app first. Confirm it works. Then keep Camera app open. Now open Teams or Zoom or Meet and check the video in Teams. Does it work alongside the camera app? If it works, you're done. Your multi-app camera now is live. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.